Are you looking for an ergonomic keyboard? In this video, I will show you the 5 best ergonomic keyboard based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB. Versatile split design, great for typing and gaming. Move the right module out of the way and bring your mouse in close for improved endurance and more precise aim. Rotate the left module for optimal key coverage or to squeeze into a tight space at a LAN. Or split the modules up to 20 inches and put your stream mic, HOTAS, or mouse in the middle for easy access. Separate the modules to shoulder width for an ergonomic typing posture and add the lift kit tenting accessory to reduce forearm strain. The detachable palm supports now include all new thick cushion palm pads for even more comfort. The 4th product on the list is the Logitech Ergo K860. Type more naturally with a full-size curved, split keyframe that improves typing posture. The sloping form reduces muscle strain on your wrists and forearms, keeping your hands, neck and shoulders relaxed. Confidently type on keys crafted for precision and fluidity. Fingers glide effortlessly across the matte surface of the keys. And scooped keys make it easy to orient your fingers and stay focused. The 3rd product on the list is the Cloud9 Ergo TKL. Separates up to 6.5 inches to help eliminate wrist and shoulder pain while you type. Keeps hands and arms properly separated and helps provide pain-free typing for 8+ hours a day. Memory foam palm rests are wrapped in premium vegan leather to keep hands extra comfortable. They are easily removable for cleaning too. Easily control volume, switch applications, scroll web pages, and more. Assign a custom function or color using the included app. The 2nd product on the list is the Kinesis Advantage 2. Patented design features split keywells with concave shape, thumb keys, orthogonal layout, 20 degrees of tinting, and integrated palm supports with cushioned palm pads. Cherry MX Brown mechanical switches feature a low activation force, tactile feedback, and are rated for 50 million key presses for unmatched durability. Plug and play with all major operating systems, Windows 7 to 10, Mac OS X, Linux, Chrome. The 1st product on the list is the Microsoft Sculpt keyboard. Sculpt ergonomic desktop is built on advanced ergonomic principles, with a split keyboard layout that keeps wrists and forearms in a relaxed position, and a cushioned palm rest to provide wrist support. The domed keyboard shape works to reduce and correct wrist pronation that can cause pain and limited mobility. Sculpt ergonomic desktop is designed for productivity. By providing a relaxed, comfortable computing experience, it enables you to work without the stress, strain, and discomfort of other keyboards and mice you may have used in the past. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.